Vata Dosha season is our fall to early winter program. Embracing the rhythms of each season is a fundamental Ayurvedic principle, essential for achieving balance and overall well-being. Each season introduces distinct environmental changes that can impact the body's doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha differently. Autumn and early winter are the seasons of Vata Dosha, marked by roughness, coolness, and mobility. During this time, you might notice your body getting a bit out of whack with things like insomnia, constipation, dry skin and hair, or joint pain. Plus, during this time, your mind could feel a little bit more anxious and overwhelmed. When we adjust our diet, movement, and lifestyle to align with seasonal changes, we can cultivate balance and prevent the exacerbation of the Vata dosha. This is the program for you if you are Vata aggravated, if you are a balanced, mildly aggravated Pitta or Kapha, seeking alignment with the Vata season or Vata weather, you are experiencing typical imbalances associated with Vata, such as dry skin, constipation, weight loss, cold hands and feet, restlessness, difficulty sleeping, and a sensation of cold. You are struggling with anxiety, fear, restlessness, and difficulty concentrating or staying focused. You want to strengthen your body and gradually build muscle without aggravating Vata dosha, or you want to adopt Ayurvedic dietary habits conducive to your well-being during the Vata season. Our 12-week Vata dosha season program offers Vata pacifying menus and Vata balancing workouts. Both your meal and workout plans can be tailored to your preferences. For instance, if you are Pitta dosha but are following the Vata program, you can still incorporate the Pitta pacifying recipes into your seasonal menus whenever you like. Similarly, you can modify your workout schedule to better suit your needs. With this program, you can expect meals that are warm, nourishing, and grounding to help alleviate the dryness and lightness associated with Vata dosha, support your digestion, and improve your gut health. The focus will be on incorporating healthy fats, whole grains, and cooked vegetables while minimizing raw and dry foods. Emphasis will be placed on foods with a naturally sweet, sour, and salty taste, as these are most effective at balancing Vata. Warming spices such as ginger, cinnamon, and cumin will be used to enhance flavor and promote digestion. These spices are often pacifying for Kapha dosha too, but Pittas, you are encouraged to reduce the number and quantity of spices. Something I really love about this program are the workouts. You will work out 3 to 4 times a week depending on your chosen intensity level. The workouts, lasting about 30 to 35 minutes, are composed of prep and training of upper, lower, and full body. This program not only focuses on physical fitness, but also on mental and emotional well-being. The breathing exercises, mudras, and intention setting in the soothing sessions after the workouts help to calm the mind and reduce stress levels. This can be especially beneficial during the Vata season, which is known for its erratic and anxious energy. From all our seasonal programs, this one features the least intense workouts. Will help you boost your muscle strength and flexibility through slow, purposeful workouts, plenty of rest, and nice soothing sessions. Our Vata dosha season program is all about helping you find balance and tone your body by reducing the light, mobile, and dry qualities of Vata dosha. You can look forward to building a fit body, preventing muscle loss, and keeping your bones strong, all while avoiding burnout, premature aging, or unnecessary weight loss. 3 intensity levels are available to suit your current needs. You can also, during the duration of the program, go from level 1 to level 2 or even to level 3 to deepen the challenge. Additionally, it provides you with a comprehensive Vata season guide to help you thrive during this time of the year. Discover insights into this fascinating season and explore wholesome strategies to stay grounded, happy, and calm. I appreciate how this program can help us embrace this time of the year without experiencing the aggravating effects and align our body with nature for a more harmonious, rooted, healthy, and peaceful life. If you still have questions about this program, please check the Vata Season Program details page on Prana app or reach out. Our team of goddess advocates will be happy to assist you.